this is Najwa here again, and today I'm going to show you this 2 bedrooms, 1 bath house. Let's go and check it out. Here's the living room. And from here you go to the kitchen, and then from here to the bedroom. Let's see the kitchen first. You go to the first bedroom, kids' bedroom, maybe. The only bathroom in the house. If you guys like this house, let me know in the comments below. And now we're done. So if you guys let me if you guys like this house, let me in the comments below. Thank you. If you guys like this house, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so